How's it going? Travis, American Race Car. We're following up on some more of the. I kill Shelly. She hates me, I swear to God. We're following up on some more interviews with the guys in the shop. Right now, we've got
Avery. I'm the new powder coat and fiberglass guy. Hopefully, I get to weld some things here soon.
We're doing a little bit of welding.
Yeah.
We got you doing a little bit, so you're coming along. We needed help in the other room, so he jumped in and helped where he can. He doesn't complain about it. He just jumps in and does it. So really appreciate all that. I mean, yeah, the goal is, the end goal is to have you welding on chassis and building stuff. And so it's going to be a work in progress, but you show great potential, and I think it's going to be great, man.
Thank you.
Yep. What did you do before you started here at American?
Before I started here, I cut trees down.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and then I worked at a tire shop, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah?
He's still young.
Young pup. You're not old like me, he's got 800 jobs. I've only had a few myself. Why did you choose to come to American? I mean, obviously we called you up, but what made you come here?
I've always found interest in cars. I've never really had anybody to teach me anything about cars, and I looked you guys up and found that you guys, built cars from scratch and everything like that, so I just found interest in it right away.
Awesome.
Well, he has a welding background, right?
He went to school for it, that's correct.
Okay.
That is correct.
Well, give us a little bit about that, because I thought you
about the
had
trade school.
family or somebody welded.
Well, my stepdad welded for a long time, for about 15 years. My mom was a welder for about 5 years.
Oh yeah, awesome.
So she kind of got me into it, and that's why I went to school for welding.
Awesome. Good stuff.
Cameras are on, so Harley had to get
Yeah,
one.
camera's here, so Harley has to walk out and hear it. He hears it, I swear he does. You swear. Single, married?
Well, I'm not married, but I'm not single.
All right. You got a steady girlfriend?
Yep.
How long?
4 years now.
How long?
4 years.
4 years? All right. Congratulations.
Thank you.
She around here or?
Right now she's in Cleveland, but she lives here in Portland.
Awesome. Any kids?
No, not that I know of.
Good answer. Good answer. You got any pets?
Yeah, I have 2 dogs. I have an Oldie English, and then I have a Great Dane.
Yeah. What's her name?
Ozzy and Elvira.
Ozzy and Elvira. Any special tricks they do or anything cool, or like
No.
him just sit here and just like, I don't know what he's doing.
Elvira can jump over a car. We found that out.
Really?
Yeah. We pulled the car in the driveway and had her jump over it. So.
He jumped over a car.
Like
He's
a
saying
horse.
no.
Like
You
a
tell him
horse.
no? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Jump over a car. Wow. I probably could too if one was coming at me fast enough. I don't have to jump this high. Only that high. What's your favorite thing about being here in America?
The people, really.
Yeah.
Everybody. I mean, you guys just treat everybody like family. You guys, are always there to help for each other, and you guys
Awesome.
You guys don't have off days.
No. We try not to. If we do, we hide them well. Me and Shelly kind of beat each other up when we here. All right. We're going to get into some questions now. Shelly's going to toss me a box. I almost tried to hit you with it. Harley wants the box real bad. You can have it when I'm done, okay, boy? All right. You ready? You want to pull the question and I'll read them?
Sure.
Grab one and hand it to me. Here we go. First one. I just asked him this. Oh, no. What do you like least about your job?
The itchiness I get from fiberglass after the day's over.
Yeah, that ain't going away. That ain't ever going away. All right, question number 2. Biggest fear?
Probably clowns.
What?
Clowns.
Like circus clowns, like the real clowns.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can't do them. Not like scary, you get blood all over their face, but like real, authentic clowns. I can't do them.
No kidding.
No.
That's crazy. What, something happened to you as a kid or something?
Yeah, my mom takes me to the haunted park and they had a real clown there, and then I used to go to carnivals a lot, and they used to scare the shit out of me. I used to run away, and I was proud of whenever I seen them.
That's some good stuff. We're going to use that in the future, I guarantee it. All right, next question. Boxers or briefs?
I'm a briefs kind of guy. I gotta let it air out.
There you go. We ain't going to go any more on that. That's good enough on that one. Question number 4. You're getting some of the good ones the other guys had, like, where would you go on a vacation? All right, who's your hero and why?
I'd say probably my grandpa.
Yeah.
He kind of like was my father. My dad was in prison a lot, so
Okay.
I just kind of looked up to him, and he kind of raised me really.
That's awesome. You had a great father figure. Didn't he race sprint cars or something?
That was my dad's dad. My mom's dad's the one that raised me pretty much.
Okay.
But he owned a kind of like a body shop like this, but they did more of like fixing cars and like real cars.
Right, street car stuff.
Yeah, just drive around.
All right, gotcha. All right, question number 5. Let's see what you got. Pick a person to be stuck on a deserted island with, and why?
That's a hard one. I'd probably have to go with. I don't know, honestly. I'd probably say. Probably Adam Sandler. He's just too funny.
Yeah. See, I'm going with the chef. Somebody that could cook for me. Like, I don't, everybody's like, oh, what girl would get on? I'm like, I want a chef. I want somebody to feed me every day. That would be, you know what I mean? Go catch me a fish or kill me a bear or something. I want to eat,
That's Avery.
There you go. All right. Anything else? Any hobbies you do, or?
Well, I paint a lot and I draw. I mean.
Really?
Yeah.
Like airbrush stuff and.
Well, just like paint brushes and canvases and.
Really?
Yeah.
That's really some of your work when you see it.
I drew one of my tattoos, and then I drew a couple other tattoos for other people.
Really? That's pretty cool. I wish I could always draw, but I never was able to. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just never had the talent. I always thought I did, but I never. When you look at it, it's not so much. All right, little one-on-one with Avery today. Appreciate you guys listening. Avery, appreciate you being here. Love everything you're doing. You're gonna go far in here. I really think so. You're gonna be here for a while.
Thank you.
Thanks. Peace.